Hi, I'm Mike Abbey from retrofit. In this video, I'm just going to explain to you some of the motors and the components that you can buy when it comes to completing your retrofit journey with retrofit. Now, if you have the S40 tube, which is that tube right there, it's expected that your blinds will be kind of on the small to medium size because it's a small to medium sort of tube. It's a lightweight tube. So the options that you're going to have there is the 1.1 Newton meter short motor, which is this guy here. And that will fit you into cavity sizes that are between 570 and 649 millimeters. Once you go slightly bigger, you can use this motor here, which is the 1.1 standard motor, and that will get you into blind sizes that are 650 millimeters right up to 1850 millimeters, and that's more than likely when that style of tube is going to end anyway, because it doesn't have the strength to really go any wider than that. So if you've got the S40 system, then you're going to use the smaller motors, the Automate motors that we have on the retrofit website. Now, if you've got the 45mm system, which is, what's this tube here? That's the light tube. We've got this in the light version, the standard version, and the heavy version. Then you can choose, all the options are available there to you. retrofit has been using this tube now for about 7 or so years. So if you've got blinds that are quite small and we've used the light tube, then you can use the 1.1 short motor, which is 570 to 649 millimeters. If you've got blinds that are between 650 and 1850 millimeters, then you can use the 1.1 Newton meter motor. And if you've got larger blinds, 851 millimeters right up to 3000 millimeters, then you can use the 2 Newton meter here. And this is the one that's got lots of grunt and a really big battery that's there. Now, just on a little side point, the narrowest window or recess opening that motor can fit into is 750 millimeters. So if you're making the choice to buy motors and you can afford to pay the extra 20 bucks or so for this motor, then I'd be buying this motor every day of the week, because it's got all the grunt and it's got all the battery power that you're going to need, and it's going to go up and down for lots and lots of cycles before it needs to be recharged. So that's the 2 Newton meter motor, and that's the one that I would personally choose if it fitted inside my recess, but you do have the other options. Now, just quickly, the DCRF motor that I've been talking about and the one with the distribution panel, we're just waiting till October, and that's going to have the 0 head upgrade. So the head of this motor is going to look the same as that motor there, and you can see it needs to be a little bit smaller to be able to retrofit that roller blind motor. And when that comes into play and it's got the 0 head upgrade, then I'm going to be doing a lot more videos about this motor, how you can retrofit it, and how you can also get, potentially, if you'd like to, a hardwired solution by running low voltage cables through your home. Now, also, when you have bought the motors, you can purchase the remote controls directly from the website. You can buy the chargers, you can buy the Wi-Fi hub, the USB repeater, and there's going to be a few more accessories that you can buy to complete the journey of retrofitting the roller blind motors. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Thank you.